Was a couple of drinks, out with friends, Lord, it's been a week that never ends. Let her hair down, set her soul free. The margarita's coldest down at Joe T. Good time starts to kicking in. She goes to digging on that guitar man. She loves the way he sings, loves the way he sounds, but the songs he's playing keep dragging her down. She said, play me a love song, but he didn't know one. He just played those sad songs all night long. The lines he was singing, the life he was living, he wasn't taking, he's giving up there all alone. He don't play any love songs. You see, Nashville was in his sights, but he fell in love with those neon lights. Standing too close to the flame, he developed a taste for dangerous things. A good time starts to kicking in. He goes to digging on that guitar man. He loves the way he sings, loves the way he sounds. The songs he keeps singing drag everybody down. She said, play me a love song, but she didn't know one. Yeah, he just played those sad songs all night long. The lines he was singing, the life he was living, he wasn't taking, he's giving up there all alone. But he don't know any love songs. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, he tried a couple times, but never felt right. And every time he did, just made him cry. She said, play me a love song, but he didn't know one. He just plays those sad ones all night long. The lines he was singing, the life he was living, he ain't taking, he's giving up there all alone. He don't play any love songs. Whoa. I was asked to write a love song for Valentine's, and that's what I came up with, and they weren't too happy. That's okay. I loved it, so I kept it. My name's Tom McElvain. I'm a singer-songwriter from Texas, y'all. We're out on the road right now pushing the Space Cowboy Tour. The Space Cowboy Tour is basically, in this business, they tell you never have a plan B, because when going gets tough, you'll always fall back on that plan B. So I followed suit, and then COVID came, and I thought a plan B would have been freaking awesome. So So I decided to look for something to invest in, and I went and interned for a cannabis company up in Oklahoma. And I went there for a year thinking I wanted to learn how to grow, and it turns out that I don't have a green thumb. But I did invest in the industry, and we started a genetics company called Songbirds Genetics, and we make our own strains. When I say we, the smart guys back home do. I just run around and talk about the great products we have. So the first strain comes out in 5 months. It's called Space Cowboy, and basically we designed it around mental health and the homeless and everything, and it's a complete package for your body and your mind and your soul and your spirit. And it tested a perfect score with the mother plants, so we get to make medical oil out of it. So right now the flags are green for Colorado, Oklahoma, and Arizona. And I'm out there spreading the good word, trying to get the seeds in the word. And I figured they're a red flag down the line. I might as well write a song called Space Cowboy, put it on the radio, do a radio tour. And instead of talking about the song, I'll talk about that great company in Oklahoma called Songbirds Genetics. Well, I stepped into the alley to have myself a smoke. Shut down all the voices that keep rattling my bones. That's when I heard his voice from a pile of clothes and trash. He said, "Mister, do you mind if I have a hit on that?" Well, he said he was a cowboy. He got lost in outer space. He was trying to warn the universe about the human race. We must have caught him started messing with his head, because he don't recall just who he is or exactly where he's been. Roll on, Space Cowboy, roll on down that line. Home ain't always where you be gone. Oh, no, sometimes it's a state of mind. It's a state of mind. He said no matter where he went, he never felt like he fit in. And like some old locomotive, he just rolled on out again. But living on the street sure makes everybody feel like him. So I handed him my smokes and said, "You're reading my mail, roll on, Space Cowboy, roll on, down that line. Home ain't always where you come from. No, sometimes it's a state of mind, state of mind." When the show was over, I went looking for my friend. But he was nowhere to be found. No, no, no. Guess he got the feeling like he did not fit in, Lord, like some old locomotive. He did a roll on out of town, roll on, Space Cowboy, roll on, down that line. Home ain't always where You come from no sometime. It's a state of mind. That's awesome. Later on, we're going to come out here and we're going to check out a good friend, Sonny Swinney. Haven't seen him in a while. It's going to be fun to watch the show. We'll be hanging over at the merch booth. I'll have a little healer pup with me. Well, she's 3 now, but I just rescued her about 3 months ago, and just outside of Waco, Texas. I was driving down to Houston and stopped at a roadside park. She ran up. The maintenance crew said she'd been there for like 3 days, so I was going to load her up to find a home. And it turns out she already found a home. I was just the last one to know. So I said, listen, if you're going to go on the road with me, you're going to have to earn your keep. So I'm going to write a song about you. I'm going to put your picture on a t-shirt. We're going to sell 1 million of them, right? We're still in negotiations, but the song will be out soon. Well, I met her in a roadside park just south of Waco. She was soaking wet with eyes that could break a heart. She looked like she'd been dealt some nasty weather, just looking for a place to make a new start. So I didn't bother asking her what she needed. Lord, she seemed to know damn well that she can't. I just reached on over and opened my door. She jumped in like the whole damn thing was planned. Now it's me and that Waco lady out here rolling around in a beat-up van without any plans, just drifting from town to town. I'll write songs on my guitar and I'll play for fun cash. Buy us one more day of windshield, one more gallon of gas. Typical woman trying to steal my show. But she don't seem to care about where we're going. I don't give a damn about where she's been. We're just out here chasing down these sunsets like we ain't never gonna see one again. Now it's me and that Waco lady out here rolling around in a beat-up van without any plans, just drifting from town to town. I'll write songs on my guitar and I'll play for fun cash. And buy us one more day of windshield, one more gallon of gas. Well, I've always been a drifter and this life can sure be tough, but she showed me a callous heart still has room to love. So it's me and that Waco lady out here rolling around in a beat-up van without any plans, just drifting from town to town. I'll write songs on my guitar and I'll play for fun cash. Buy us one more day of windshield, buy us one more day of windshield, one more gallon of gas. Good job, way to aim for their pockets. Woo! We were out in Colorado playing, and I've had this guitar for about 20 years, so it was nice new and shiny when I first got it. And she's been through a lot, broken half so many times from the wild honky tonks and running around. And she was stolen once and MIA for about 3 years when we were flying to Mexico to play bowling. And wound up being donated to a church in Arlington, Texas, and found her way back to me. And we were up in Colorado, and this guy came up and goes, I want to know the story on the guitar, and it just dawned on me that I never thought, there's no way I can tell the stories to put it all in here, and there's so many things that happened. And on the way home, I was like, we've been companions for all this time, and I've never given her a song. So I went home and I worked on this song for her, and a song called Kate. We're fixing to go in the studio and record it. Her name's Kate. I named her Big Nose Kate after the prostitute in Tombstone. She's ugly as hell, but I always got my back. So the song's called Kate. I was born in the hands of a guitar man. He pulled me from the wood, sold to the girl with the prettiest smile to give to the man she loved. When she saw his hand and knew right then that things were gonna be tough, she gave me a name and a new set string and put me right to work. In those honky tonks all night long, campfire rendezvous in the corner of some dive bar, just the morning after blues. I've been kicked around and cussed at Lord, I've been broke a time or two, but I was having too much fun to ever call it paying dues or wrong. Hey, yeah, yeah. Whoa, long. Well, I never saw it coming. Yeah, the day that I got stolen, it must have broke that poor some bitch's heart. But with a miracle he found me, Lord, he threw his arms around me. He said a few things, put on new strings, put me right to work. In those honky tonks all night long, campfire rendezvous in the corner of some dive bar, till the morning after blues. I've been kicked around and cussed at Lord, I've been broke a time or two, but I was having too much fun to ever call it paying dues. Oh, hey, on the day they lay him low, you know I'll be the one he holds. He'll die with a smile, knowing he did not die alone. What happens next to me, Lord, there's no telling that at all. But the last thing that I heard him say was, don't hang her on the wall. just can't do. It's always nice to know people like your songs. This right here is out on an album called Redemption that we do have for sale over there. It's called Lady in Red. The story is basically I'd written the lyrics 10 years before I wrote the melody. The lyrics were written off of a point in my life where I was in my low and I got on methamphetamines and everything, and I got in this guy was telling me about when you shoot heroin, when you pull back the plunger, the blood twirls, they call it the Lady in the red dress dancing. I thought that was profound and romantic in the most sick way possible, but I had to write this song and these lyrics, and I put them away because I didn't figure that'd ever be good enough for a song to record. It damn sure would be something that would follow the mainstream. And then I was doing a residency gig close to home, so I was coming home at 3 or 4 in the morning, and I didn't want to wake my wife up, so I would watch TV with the volume off. But I love spaghetti westerns. I'd sing them all, so I would just make up my own lines and lip sync. And then I thought, well, I need some theme music too. So I'd sit there in the dark and play that, and then all of a sudden the lyrics just kind of came from nowhere and just fell right in place. And we needed a spot to fill on the album. I thought, well, hell, let's just do that song, throw it on there. I mean, it'll be a good filler song. It's different. It's just too out there for anybody to really love. And it turned out to be the biggest song on the album, which was proof to me that I can't pick a song for shit. And it also reminded me of a line that Ray Wiley Hubbard once said. He said, if you're going to write a song, make sure it's a song you want to sing for 30 years. And I didn't take that into mind when I wrote this song. The older I get, the harder it is to hit the notes that I wrote this song in. Midnight comes on slowly when it's weighing on your mind. I search the dark and lonely just to find you one more time. And I walk them broken alleyways, that's where she loves to hide. And I'd sell my soul to the devil alone for one more night. Lady in red, dance for me. I close my eyes and I see Lady in red. Yeah, 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 yeah. I wake up in the morning, I'm all alone. No sign she was ever here, just this needle in my arm. And I walk them broken alleyways, that's where she loves to hide. I'd sell my soul to the devil alone for one more night. Lady in red, dance for me. I close my eyes and I see Lady in red. Oh, yeah. She don't even like me. Yeah, she wants to see me dead. And I must be out of my mind, 'cause I don't seem to care. Hey, first of all, I want to thank Sonny Sweeney for letting me come out here and do some songs. We were in Kentucky and we got to go to Kansas, and we had too many days in between for me to do nothing, so I need something to do, so she invited me to come down here. So thank you guys so much for listening and everything. This song right here, I just got through writing with my good friend, Mr. Cody Jinks. Hold on. He didn't record it. I told him, I said, this is going to be a hit song. In fact, if it's not a hit song, I'll wash your bus with a toothbrush. And then he came in and finished the second verse and wrote the chorus. And I was really in an angry place when I wrote the song. I was sitting in traffic, and I just got through venting on how I'm tired of all the labels with music, where you got your outlaw, you got your pop. I said, it's just music, man. I'm just making music, listen to what makes you feel good. Anyway, that's another story, but I was all determined about it. I sent him these lyrics, and I was like, this is it, man. Yeah. And he took it all and just twisted it into a positive message, and it really pissed me off. But it's a beautiful song. So I told him, I said, listen, if you ain't gonna record it, I'm gonna go ahead and record it, because I think you should. I said, well, I know, but if you record it, I'll make more money. That leather jacket don't make you an outlaw. That long hair don't mean that you smoke weed. Those boots and hat don't make you no cowboy. Ain't a damn thing makes you better than me. Those tattoos, they don't make you a wild one. That nose ring, it don't mean you're free. That guitar, it don't make you no picker. Ain't a damn thing makes you better than me. Better than me. Oh, that's all I wanna be. I'm tired of running round in circles, pretending to be free. Better than me. Oh, it ain't that hard to do. Sounds like what you need to get down to. Being better than you. That suit and tie don't make you a wise man. That bank account won't matter, you'll soon see. That Bible, it don't mean you're going to heaven. Ain't a damn thing makes you better than me. Better than me. Lord, that's all I want to be. I'm tired of running in circles, pretending to be free. Better than me. Yeah. Oh, it ain't that hard to do. Sounds like what you need to get down to. Just being better than you. Better than me. Lord, all I want to be. I'm tired of running in circles, pretending to be free. Better than me. what you need to get down to. It's being better than you, better than me. Better than you. Thank you so much. Love you, Richard. Love you.